Hello everyone, it's Angela here again. I hope you guys are good from wherever you're watching me from. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare ginger sauce. And this is ginger. If you don't know ginger, this is ginger. And this is already peeled and sliced ginger. I sliced them to make it easy for my blender for blending. And I'm using tomatoes, onion, and some habanero peppers. I'm using beef, smoked chicken, momo, that's cow skin, shaki, that's the cow stomach. Using crayfish, onions to cook my meat. Using smoked fish. And I'm using scent leaf for this recipe. You don't have to use scent leaf if you don't have it. I'm using palm oil as well, salt for taste, and 2 stock cubes. So now we're gonna start by cooking our meat. I just added my beef and the shaki to the pot and some onions to cook it. Now I'm cooking them together in their own juice. And I add a stock cube and salt. And I'm going to cook it together in its own juice for 5 minutes. Now you can see my meat. You can see it has a lot of juice in it. So now I'm adding the smoked chicken, the momo, I'm adding a little bit of water, not too much water because I don't want my soup watery. So I just added my smoked fish now. I give it a good stir and I'm going to let this cook for 10 minutes. You can see I changed the pot because that pot is going to be too small for the soup. So now I'm adding palm oil. Sorry, I didn't remember to tell you about the native Maggi. It's completely optional. You don't have to add it if you don't like it or if you don't have it. Now I just added my tomato, the blended ginger, onions, and crayfish. I'm going to stir it together, let it cook for 10 minutes. You can see it cooking. Smelling nice here already. Add the salt and the last stock cube. I used 2 stock cubes for this recipe. You want to boil the meat at first, don't forget that. Now I'm adding my scent leaf. This scent leaf is from my garden. It's so special. So I give it a stir. I'm gonna let it cook together for 10 minutes. Then my sauce is ready. And I'm going to enjoy this sauce with pounded yam. You can also eat it with rice, with any swallow of your choice. It's so yummy and healthy for your body. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my page, and give me thumbs up. And try this recipe in your home. Don't forget to tell me how it tastes like. Thank you for joining me. Bye. See you in my next video. so yummy.